What if I told you there's a Mac app that completely changes how you use copy paste on your Mac? And so the app is called Blip. It's actually something that I made for myself, and I just figured that I'd share with you guys. And so the basic premise is that whenever you're copy pasting things on your Mac, you really don't get like any clear indication that something was copied. So no toast or anything like that. And I just figured why does it have to be like the default? So this basically lives in your notch, and every time you copy something, whether it's a file, a folder, images, text, it'll pop up here for a second or two, just basically letting you know that you copied something. It also tells you the location where it was copied. So just to give a very quick demo. So let's just say I copied this text right here. So it'll pop up in the notch. It'll tell you that something was copied. It'll also tell you which app it's coming from. So in my case, this is Helium. And it'll also work basically for files as well. So let's actually see how that looks. So I just have a bunch of like screenshots here. Whatever your use case may be, let's just say I copy these, for example. And so basically it'll show like a preview or like a thumbnail of the actual files. Um, and again, the location where it's coming from, and then also the ability to reveal it in Finder. And so this isn't something that is supposed to like add a bunch of productivity, and also it's not something that is like particularly useful. I just think it was like a kind of like a quality of life improvement for me, like when I use my Mac. And yeah, I have it linked down below. Feel free to check it out, try it, use it. It's also completely free and open source as well. So if you have any suggestions on feature improvements, basically anything you want to see, I will go ahead and create it. So just feel free to comment down below what you think. And thank you for watching. Feel free to check out some of my other videos. Bye.